To insert a cell, I'll just select the cell I want it to be placed, go to Home tab, click Insert, and then choose Insert Cells. And then I will going to choose Shift Cells Down, and then click OK. So now I have a new cell placed on my workbook. Another procedure on how to insert a cell is right-click the cell, click Insert, and then I'm going to choose Shift Cells Right. So another cell will be placed here in my workbook. So for now, I will going to show you how to delete a cell. To delete a cell, you just click it, go to the Home tab, click Delete, and then choose Delete Cells. And then I will going to choose Shift Cells Left, and then click OK. So another on how to delete a cell, I will right-click this cell, click Delete, choose Shift Cells Up, and then click OK. These are the procedures on how to insert and delete a cell in the workbook.